Hello, mate. Is this the way? So the purpose of this trip today is, there's a train going past. So the purpose of this trip today, the purpose of this little outing today is we're going to go to Kennal Vale, which is an abandoned old gunpowder factory, and it's situated in Ponsanoof, literally just between, I'd say it's situated between Penryn and Truro. Let's check it out. I'll be honest with you, I don't actually know if this is the way. If you are planning on coming down here, just make sure you do research actually of how to get here, because it feels like I'm walking down someone's path. It feels like a really weird day for this today because it's autumn, it's grey and miserable in the sky. I've got this coat on, I've got this hat on. Because I'm walking on so many hills, I'm sweating. Probably should have planned for the weather before I set off this morning. This place is full of loads of interesting things. Somebody's old shoe. So I'm currently wandering aimlessly through just some random field because I have no idea where this place is. So now I think I'm in somebody's garden. Yeah, definitely in someone's garden. Time to get out. It might be too windy for a tree tripod today, it just fell over. So I'm pretty sure I went completely the wrong way to get here. But in hindsight, if I hadn't gone that way, I wouldn't have seen that old shoe. Also, I wonder how many people that live around here, how annoyed they must get with like random people just like, oh no, I'm in somebody's garden. They're probably thinking, we've got another one, Sheila! Trying to look for Kennal Vale! Ah, roads! I've never been so happy to find roads. I set off at 10:30 AM this morning. It's now 9:45. If anyone's planning on watching this and thinking that this is going to be a how to get there guide, we will get there, but just the longest way I can possibly find, obviously, because I haven't got a clue. Excuse me, is that the way to Kennal Vale? I don't know about you, but he actually looked like he was going to answer me then. I'm okay with animals, even farmed animals, wild animals, anything like that, but something about cows, and when they start walking over like this, I mean, you're not going to do anything, there's a fence here, but you know, it still puts me a little bit on edge. Hello, mate! This has got to mean we're getting close. One of the things that I sort of asked about this place was, why would they build a gunpowder factory this far out in the middle of nowhere? Okay, I think I found it. So I know what you're thinking, why build a gunpowder factory in the middle of the woods, in the middle of nowhere? This place used to be called the Kennel Gunpowder Factory, and it was carefully chosen due to the water. So because the water's fairly fast flowing here, the water was used to power the factory. They couldn't use steam power because obviously it's a gunpowder factory, and to produce steam you need an open flame or coal. So obviously that would have been a disaster just waiting to happen. So water was the solution. Wow, look at this! This would have been one of the old wheels that just powered the place. Amazing. I think I've probably waffled on enough. Let me show you around. I'll try to make it as picturesque as I can. Do you ever have like one of those ideas that you're not 100% sure of, and then so here's what happened. I wanted to fly the drone in here. It's kind of like in like a little quarry, but the issue is it's quite enclosed and there's a lot of trees above, so I wasn't sure how the GPS was going to work, and I actually had my first crash with the Mavic Mini. So it's a bit muddy. I got it down to a low altitude before it just sort of lost the plot, but all in all it doesn't look to be damaged, so thank goodness. So that's been Kennal Vale. That's about it from me. Don't forget to get out there and love Sundays, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello, you alright?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, I just crashed my drone.
Oh gosh.
Can you come pick me up?
Yeah, where are you?